Hey YouTube, a little video here on how to make a USB flash drive from the iPhone Nand and this pre-made adapter, like $4 adapter, available on Aliexpress. It's available in this form factor. It's USB 2, and there's another one, USB 3, but this one is for LGA70, so I believe it's for iPhone 5 and iPhone 6 Nand chips. You can use 2, and this is USB 3, and this is for iPhone 6s and 7 Nands LGA70. And the controller on this particular USB adapter, USB drive, is Alcor AU6989SNCL, I believe. Anyway, it says AU698X E3 Nand. So you use this application. I'll add this application into the description of this video. I found it on this Russian website, usbdev.ru. So basically, I also tried the Toshiba Nand, and that did not work for some reason. So this is the one that worked, SK Hynix. So just wanna stress that this is what worked for me, because Toshiba did not work. So this controller, AU698, and this SK Hynix Nand chip. Okay, and I think it doesn't matter what numbers are there, just as long as it's SK Hynix. Okay, so basically, it's after you download this application, it's pretty straightforward process. You plug it in. You first open up the application. Okay. Plug in the drive. Okay, it's already formatted here, but I'm gonna show from scratch. Basically, go into the setup, click OK, and see, this is the chip here is different, but as I said, it doesn't really matter. The speed optimized, by default it goes like high level format, but I use low level format. Choose this LLF check default, have capacity check. Okay, I use full scan 4, and I'm not sure about ECC. I did not check on that, but I'll make it 8. And also this is 16 gigs chip, so default is 200 milliamps, and I bumped it up to 500. I think it's you need to use 500 for over 16 gigs, but this is kind of on the verge there. So anyway, this one works. So click OK. Once again, not sure if you catch that one. Okay, so these are my settings: speed optimized, half capacity, full scan, ECC 8, 500 milliamps. Okay, and click here and click start. That's basically it. It's gonna take about with these settings, it's gonna take about like maybe 2 minutes to make it work. And after that, you just click after it's finished, then it's gonna show the letter S here. After that, you just eject it. Where's our eject? Yeah, you'll be able to eject it from here, and just close the application, and you should be good to go. It's gonna be formatted in FAT32 file format. Okay, so just hope that it might help someone. This is, I'm just doing it for fun, so it's just kind of cool. Reusing the old dead motherboard from iPhone to make the 16 gigs of a flash drive. I mean, it's kind of cool. I like this stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.